Good day everyone, this is Cameron from the Bull Trades. Hope everybody's having a fabulous Sunday today. So we are going to talk about something amazing, something crazy that happened with the auction for Blue Origin to be the first paying passenger. They had an auction which actually concluded yesterday, Saturday, a little after 1 p.m. with a maximum bid of $28 million for one seat on Blue Origin's flight, July 20th. So why is this so crazy? Well, hey, when you think about it, this is 28 million reasons that were just given to buy Virgin Galactic stock. Let me explain why. So as reported by GeekWire, Blue Origin sells seat on suborbital spaceship for $28 million after fast and furious bidding. So let's take a look at what they said. An open spot on the first ever crew to fly on Blue Origin's New Shepard suborbital spaceship was auctioned off today for $28 million, which is millions more than the International Space Station's first paying tourist reportedly paid 20 years ago. It took about 8 minutes for the RR auction to wind up the bidding at its Boston HQ. That's a couple of minutes less than the expected duration of New Shepard mission set for July 20th at Blue Origin suborbital spaceport in West Texas. And it's a few minutes more than the yet-to-be-identified winner is expected to spend in 0G during the flight. The winner, currently known only as bidder number 107, will experience about 3 minutes of weightlessness and a big picture view of the curvature of the Earth below, black sky of space. It will be one of the priciest permanent trips in history, but it'll also go down in the space history books in part because Jeff Bezos, the founder of Blue Origin and Amazon, will be one of the crewmates. It didn't take long for speculation about the winner's identity to begin, with SpaceX CEO Elon Musk's Bezos' biggest billionaire space rival thrown into the mix. And here is a tweet, Scott Galloway. Rumor is Elon is the winning bid and gave the seat to Lucky Swisher, mom of AK Kara Swisher. Next level RE the feud. Stay tuned. TechCrunch. Jeff Bezos Blue Origin auctions off seat first human spaceflight for $28 million. So, Blue Origin has put the New Shepard suborbital launch system through 15 uncrewed tests, but July's flight will be the first to put people on board for an actual launch. The first to fly distinction plus the chance to spend some time with America's richest individual. Undoubtedly added to the value proposition. Bidding on the open seat began last month. Before today, the high bid stood at $4.8 million. Once the auction started, Steve Little kicked off the live bidding. The price quickly escalated, at a time in increments of $1 million. The more you pay for it, the more you enjoy it, Little said during a rare lull in the bidding. He said more than 20 qualified buyers signed up for the live auction. The RR auction will tack a 6% buyer's commission onto the $28 million price. Blue Origin's Director of Astronaut Strategy says Ariane Cornell said during today's webcast that the winner's identity won't be revealed until all the paperwork is signed, probably within the next couple of weeks. So it looks like we're going to have to wait a little bit longer for that. And anyway, the good thing is the proceeds are actually going to be donated to the Club for the Future, a non-profit educational foundation. So it's all going to charity for a very good cause, which is absolutely amazing. Now let's delve into further why this is a great thing for Virgin Galactic and Virgin Galactic shareholders. Well, $28 million seems like a lot for a space flight, but it is a very, very good thing for Virgin Galactic because it shows that there was very high demand. Thousands of bidders actually were participated in the auction to get a chance to fly on Blue Origin's New Shepard space vehicle. Now, it only lasts about 11 minutes from start to finish, but people were willing to pony up big money. So let's see how that equates to Virgin Galactic and what they will have to offer. So about 600 people have signed up for Virgin Galactic's suborbital spaceflight, paying reserve fares that range from $250,000. That fare is certain to go up when Virgin Galactic resumes sales, particularly in light of the results of today's auction. Now, Blue Origin, meanwhile, has taken a cagey approach to spaceflight sales. It has never publicly announced the ticket price, although CEO Bob Smith said in 2019 that he expected the price amount to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, there is speculation out there that the price of a Blue Origin ticket is now going to be north of $500,000, and I do not see why it can even approach close to 1 million. Now, currently Virgin Galactic is around 250,000, but that is expected to increase. But who knows now, with all the analysis and what's happened now with this auction and the high demand for Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin tickets, it's sure to actually increase. So I won't be surprised to see a ticket price. Now, just speculation, my opinion, and from what I've read online, in the range of $500,000 plus. So throw out all the projections, throw out everything that you have thought about of how much the revenues would be, the future revenues for Virgin Galactic, because the prices are going up and they're going to be taking up the stock price with it. That's probably for sure. So anyway, apart from that, as everybody knows, Virgin Galactic is a news-driven company. Well, what does that mean? So if we look at the 6-month stock chart for Virgin Galactic, we can see we peaked at $62 a share, around that amount, back earlier in the year. And that was due in part to the fact that there was very good news and very good speculation that Virgin Galactic would be having their test flight. And then we had the delays and the cancellations and then more delays, and then Cathie Wood's ARK Invest space ETF fund just selling all their shares and getting out of Virgin Galactic. So there was a lot of speculation that the flight wouldn't happen and it was all doom and gloom. So that actually drove the stock all the way down. And it wasn't easy to hold the stock, but hey, you got to hold it if you believe in something and you believe in the future of space travel and you think it can be done. And they had successful flights before. There was no reason to believe that they wouldn't actually go back into space again. So as we approached the date of May the 22nd, we did hit a rock bottom. But as soon as they did announce that the flight was going to go into space, we started going up and up and up. And then on the successful completion on May 22nd of Virgin Galactic spaceflight, we have absolutely been rocketing up back into new highs. I mean, it's been going crazy back into outer space, and there's no reason to believe that we are not going to be on that same rocket ship upward trajectory now with the speculation of the July 4th Branson flight. But hey, even if we don't get that flight on July 4th, we've still got some crewed missions coming up pretty soon. It looks like the analysis is about wrapping up, and we should get some news on that too about the last flight. So it's only upward and onward from here as far as Virgin Galactic stock goes. But as you can see, boy, the news has been very, very bullish. Not only for New Shepard, but this is definitely very, very bullish for Virgin Galactic. The multiple news agencies are reporting that the auction of $28 million bid was absolutely unbelievable. Nobody would have thought that somebody was going to pay $28 million for a ride on Blue Origin. Now, granted, they are going to be, riding with the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, and of course his brother. But as you can see, multiple news agencies are reporting on this. And, this is just going to be another big positive. So hopefully when trading resumes on Monday for Virgin Galactic stock, we should see some positive for this. And any news that we may get during the week should be another positive indication for Virgin Galactic to just absolutely rocket up higher. But as you can see, we are definitely on that trajectory. So in conclusion, I would just like to thank everybody for watching this video. I certainly appreciate that. I will be doing more videos on Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE, and it'll be one of my main coverages. I've been in it for a year. I think I have a pretty good feel and handle of where this stock is going, and that is up for now. Let's wait and see. This is news driven. It's very speculative, and it's definitely not for the faint of heart, but those who are willing to risk and take a chance will definitely be handsomely rewarded. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my video, as I will be covering Virgin Galactic. Take care and have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.